let's talk turkey. The hand broom kind. So this is a turkey wing whisk. I just finished making it as a custom order. And I made it a certain way for a certain function. Hand brooms can have many different functions, and they also can do multiple things. This is a heavier one. This is about a half a pound of broom corn. The reason for that is I wanted it thick, and I wanted it to be able to push, kind of be more of a hand sweeper, if you would. Don't mind the little string. That's for not magic. I'm going to let the owner decide how they want to handle that. But for that pushing, so maybe on your upholstery, in your car, even on a table, it just gives you a little bit more sweat, like you're pushing particles. Okay, so this is a turkey wing that's a little thicker. So what makes it a turkey wing is it has multiple sections, and how these sections advance is with a jump up. So it gets banded, twined, wined, whatever you want to use, and then it goes up, 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 up with that little jump you're seeing. See that jump? Yeah. The other side, you don't see the jump. It just mysteriously goes up. Now, this is also a turkey wing whisk. Take that off. Similar in height, size, but it's probably not quite half the weight, because it's not really meant to push crumbs or sweep upholstery. With these wispies, it is more to, all right, I have some dust up there. Let's pretend I'm dusting way up there. Actually, I don't have to go far. Is there any dust over here? I'm sure. Ooh, so right, dust in a corner. Let's get the dust, right? It's more to get the dust with those wispies, catching the dust. So I do a lot of, say, like the cobweb dusting, the dust bunny dusting with this. If I have a chair that I'm pulling out and the rungs are all dusty and icky, this is what I'm using. It's my annual cleaning where the furniture comes out and I want to get the back of the furniture. This is what I am using around legs, up in corners, because it's wispier. It doesn't have to be heavier. A heavier one just gives me more broom corn and then more surface area for that pushing. This is a smaller version in the wispier kind. Same advancements. Now, not to be confused, and a lot of people will use it interchangeably, and they will call this also a turkey wing. This is a hen wing whisk, and if you see, there's no jumps. It goes straight up. And again, can come in different sizes, different amount of broom corns. Now, if you are interested in learning to make your own turkey wing whisk, look at this little itty bitty one, so cute. If you're interested in that, I do have an online course. It is Broom Making Basics, the hand brooms. And this is actually the size you can make. We start with a small one. And the reason we do that is because I don't want you to have to buy a lot of broom corn all at once. So with a pound of broom corn, you can make, because we start with the pot scrubber, and then we go to the veggie brush, and then we go to a round crumb brush. There is a bonus where you can turn that into a flat crumb brush. And then we do the hen wing and the turkey wing. But because we only want to use a pound of broom corn for all 5, we make them a little smaller. So, link in the bio. So I hope that answers any questions you might have about the different hand brooms in the turkey wing style. So both turkey wings, but just slightly different in how they are constructed. Now, if this was good information for you, of course, subscribe, like, do all of that great stuff and give me some love. I do appreciate it. And yeah, check out the link in my bio for the Broom Witch Academy. The courses in there right now are the broom making basics, the hand brooms. Again, you learn 5 bonuses will be the round crumb brush turned into a flat crumb brush, and then the hawk tail whisk and some other stuff. Oh, and how to dye broom corn, a beginner's guide. That was just put in there also. And when you're watching this, there could be more because I got a lot in here. All right, my friends, have a great day.